So I said, hey, Tom, I'll pay you the $299, or We Get Around Network will pay you the $299. How about go shoot that previous listing? It'd be nice for yet another comparison. And mystery shop. So you did exactly that. And before we talk about the process, you got your 4 digital assets. What's your conclusion? Let's start with the Matterport tour.
The tour was similar to what we provided to our client, which was the agent. The biggest issue was, well, the second biggest issue was that they didn't scan the closets, which, you know, sometimes we leave them off, but to get a complete floor plan and a complete tour, it's nice to have that information available. He didn't scan the closets, and the number one biggest issue was he forgot to scan an upstairs bathroom. So you see it in the hallway, but you can't go into it, and you can't see the shower, you can't see much of the vanity, you can't see the toilet, that kind of thing. So that was kind of a bummer.
Did you think about getting back to him and say, hey, you missed the bathroom, could you come out and add that to the Matterport tour and provide some photos of it as well?
No. Because I didn't want to just one more thing with the real estate agent. But you know, and we've missed bathrooms, you know, in my business. We've missed bedrooms. Sometimes there's a door that looks like it's a closet, but there's, you know, a whole other room behind that door.
Yeah. Forgive me for interrupting. We're not showing anything, and I think it would be helpful for our viewers to know they can see all the deliverables at the We Get Around Network forum, WGANforum.com. You can search the subject line for $299, or since Tom is a very prolific content creator, poster in the We Get Around Network forum, go to WGAN.info/Sparks Media Group, all one word. And that'll take you to the We Get Around Network forum and a lot of content that Tom has posted to the forum. And just look for the post that has $299 in the headline. So you can actually go look at the Matterport tour, look at the photos, look at the floor plan, look at the teaser video. So we're talking about the Matterport tour. I mean, my impression was that photographer did a really good job doing the scanning. Oh, interesting. Okay, your thoughts?
He missed a room. He missed a room that wasn't behind a hidden door. Which,
yes.
So, you know, if the door was closed, I could see that. But I prepped the house before he got there. He missed a room.
Yes, I totally get it. You could say, you know, on a pass-fail basis, maybe that's a fail because you missed the room. It's really important. I guess I felt for the photographer because it wasn't as if there were only one scan in each room. That's what I was actually anticipating was going to happen, and it wasn't. He scanned all the 4 corners, middle of a room, did a good job. It looked like capturing the scan data with a Matterport Pro 3 beta camera.
Not to cut you off, but a couple things about that. I was expecting him to do, you know, 1 or 2 scans per room, but keep in mind that they're extracting the images, and we can talk about that. They're extracting the images from the scans. So you would think that they would do more scans in a room. And he was in the house for an hour. I did that whole house with the Pro 3 inside and outside in 1 hour and 15 minutes. And that was everything: closets, that bathroom, multiple scans in a room. So, you know, yeah, on a scale of the floor plan, I mean, I'm not the floor plan, the 3D tour, how happy am I with it? I'd probably, you know, give it a 7, 8 out of 10.